Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make a very yummy and tasty recipe. That's Mint Cilantro Egg Curry, which is very delicious. You must give a try. Let's get started. Heat a pan, add oil, then add 5 green chilies. Add 2 onions and saute it for few minutes. Then add a bunch of coriander leaves and few mint leaves and saute it for few seconds. Allow the mixture to cool down. Then heat a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Then add 1 onion chopped and 1 tomato and saute it for few minutes. Add salt for the tomatoes to become smushy. Let the tomatoes and onions cook for few minutes. For masala, here I have taken few coconut pieces, few peppercorns, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves and few garlic and 1-inch ginger. Here you can take garlic as per your choice. Take a mixture jar, add the mixture of onions, green chillies, mint and coriander leaves. And then you add coconut pieces, peppercorns, cinnamon stick, cloves, garlic and ginger and add little water and grind to a fine smooth paste. Add the prepared green masala to the pan and saute it for few minutes. Add salt as per taste. Close the lid and let the green masala cook for few minutes. You can add 1 cup of hot water to bring it to a proper consistency. I prefer a slight thick consistency. Finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then finally add the boiled eggs which are cut into half. Then add masala on the eggs so that the eggs will absorb the taste of the green masala. Finally, flip the eggs so that the eggs absorbs the green masala flavor. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of ghee on top so that it enhances the taste of the green masala. And there you have it, your mint cilantro egg curry, which you can prepare in just 20 minutes, which is tasty, delicious and yummy. Must give a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.